Need to send a large file without attaching it directly to an email? Mega lets you share files and folders using links and sharing controls. In this guide, I'll show you how to create a share link, adjust access, and safely send it to someone else. So let's get started. First, open Mega and sign in to your account. From your cloud drive, find the file you want to share. You can share a document, photo, video, archive, or another type of file stored in your Mega account. Next, select the file and open its sharing or link options. Mega provides different ways to share content depending on what you're trying to do. For a simple one-time transfer, creating a link is usually the easiest approach. Choose the option to get or create a link for the file. Mega will generate a shareable link that you can copy. Depending on the available settings, you may also be able to add additional protection or control how the link can be accessed. Always check these settings before sharing. You can also share an entire folder instead of selecting files one by one. Choose the folder, open its sharing options, and create or manage the share link. This is useful for project folders, photo collections, or groups of documents that need to stay together. Once you have the link, copy it and send it through your preferred messaging or email service. Before sending it, double-check that the link points to the correct file or folder. This small check can prevent accidentally sharing the wrong content. If you no longer want someone to access the shared content, return to the file or folder's sharing settings and manage the link or access permissions. The exact controls can vary depending on your Mega account and sharing method, so review the options available on your screen. And that's how you share files with Mega. Choose your file or folder, create a share link, check the access settings, and send the link to the right person. Pretty simple, right? Just remember, anyone who receives an accessible share link may be able to access its contents, so share carefully.